So in the morning, just bring the laptop out to the vehicle, we just plug it in and then we log in. So at the moment we've got an 8 till 12 appointment this morning. We get provided our own vehicle, drill, bits and pieces, we've got some spare phones. We carry all our safety gear as well. Different test equipment, so we've got meters. We basically carry everything we might need for the day. My name's Tammy. I'm a Telstra cable technician. I did a 9-month traineeship through Skilled Group. They offer in-classroom training and on-the-job training, and now I've basically got my own vehicle and we just work independently throughout the day to complete the jobs for the customer. And the customer's having an issue with their fax machine. They're unable to send or receive faxes at the moment, so we just need to have a chat to the customer and find out what's going on. Hi, my name's Tammy. I'm calling from Telstra in Perth. How are you doing today? I've just picked up the job to come and take a look at the line for you. I just want to confirm with you what sort of issues we're having. So we're just having some troubles sending and receiving faxes, is that correct? Okay. All right, it sounds like that could be something to do with the issue. But that's okay, we can come out and have a look at it for you and just sort of see what's going on. Okay, thanks very much, bye.
And I hadn't received a fax. That's not unusual. I might have or might not have, but...
Okay. Everything's plugged in correctly, that's all up and running, so it looks okay. Yeah, we've just got a diversion tone. Yep, so we've got normal dial tone again. So the diversion's off. So you're getting sort of any error message, like does it just say unable to send or something?
Oh, it just comes up, please ring Telstra.
Oh, okay.
That's all it said, with a number.
The number you have called is not available from this service.
Just wondering if you can give me some details on our customer service. Well, basically what's happened is the customers had... Before this, I actually worked in retail. So there was a bit of, like, a bit of computer work, just doing out rosters and, keeping track of money and all that sort of stuff. So there's a bit of computer stuff involved. Just had sort of A's and B's when I finished high school, so it's just a standard sort of thing. Obviously, if you have any IT sort of background or anything like that, then that obviously helps you to advance a bit quicker, or you'll probably pick up the skills a bit quicker. But yeah. Welcome to Telstra, Tammy speaking. Okay.
Sounds better. One pay cent.
Beautiful.
Okay. Great.
All right, beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Not a problem. The National Broadband Network, which is the NBN, is coming through at the moment, and that's where they're installing optic fibre. It's going to be from the exchange at this point to the customer's premises, so that's going to make all the copper cabling obsolete. Optic fibre obviously provides a lot faster services and better services than what the copper can, and basically means that we shouldn't really have to be doing any work on it. Once optic fibre is in place, there's very little chance of it going faulty or anything going wrong. So it's more of an assured service as well, because we're not expecting or anticipating any problems with it once it goes in. Welcome to Telstra, Tammy speaking. Yep, and his number is... So I just got a call from our head office. One of our other techs actually needs an assist to do some cabling. There's no lead-in cable or any cable inside the building in place as far as he's told me. So just sort of go have a look at what he's doing and give him a hand to run some cabling, and hopefully we can put a socket on and get the customer up and running. So you reckon the easiest way is we just dig and put the pipe into there? So as far as we can gather at the moment, they've put some pipe in, but they haven't actually connected it to the pipe coming out of our pit. So when we've put the rods down, it's actually going under the driveway now. So if we were going to connect it how they originally done it, we'd have to actually remove the pavers in the driveway, and that's going to be quite a big issue. So it might be easier for us if we can dig a trench from here to the wall. We'll just install a pipe in here and just finish installing what needs to be done. The challenges in this job is obviously being outdoors in the weather conditions. So in summer it gets quite hot, and obviously in winter we've got to deal with the storms and rain where we can't do a lot of work while that's happening. Quite physical. So the further you go out, towards the bushland, it becomes a lot harder to find the cable pits and different locations and stuff like that. I'm learning new systems at the moment, different bits and pieces. But ideally I would like to move into more sort of complex roles and just learn more skills as we go. So there is a lot of opportunity to upskill, and there's different areas within the Telstra company you can actually work in. So, if you change, you don't want to be working on the actual network, There's stuff like network integrity. There's the people in head office, so you can do that sort of stuff. It just depends on what you're interested in. Now, I am noticing something wrong here where this is connected at the back. I just want to test the line to the customer's house and just sort of see if there is any faults in the line or what's actually going on. That doesn't look too bad. Just have a look at the rest of it. So I'll just press test on there and we'll just sort of see what results we're getting. So we've got the line open here at the moment, so this will test from the exchange to where the line's open here. Just give an idea if there's any issues. At the moment the dial tone is working here and clear here. So we might have to go to the house and just see if anyone's home and just check out what's going there as well. So I've just checked the line at the wall box at the side of the house. Now we've got a clear dial tone there. So that generally indicates there could be a problem with the customer's internal cabling inside the building. Or it could be that the switched legs back at the cabinet was the issue that was cutting off the dial tone, and we fix that up. So what we'll do is we'll give the customer a few more minutes to see if they're going to come home. If they're still not available, we'll actually leave a card in the letterbox just to say what time we attended and what we found. If they're still having a problem, they can book an appointment when someone can be home, and we can come out and have a look inside the house and just find out what's going on for them. So that's the next step.